bueno, va i em diu això, no? Escolta, avui és 27?
No, 28 avui. 28. Dia 28.
Bon dia, estem fent el cafè. És divendres i toca el que toca, Tot bé, Oriol?
Molt bé.
Avui
Hem estat molt bé avui.
Molt bé. Estic aquí segura aguantant-me perquè l'esmorzar ha set superlatiu, com cada divendres. Anem a fer un tema de la Carol King avui que es diu You've Got a Friend. Correcte. When you're down and trouble and you need some loving care and nothing is going right. Close your eyes and think of me, and soon I will be there to brighten up even your darkest night. You just call on my name, and you know wherever I am, I come running to see you again. Winter, spring, summer, or fall, all you have to do is call when I'll be there. You've got a friend. If a sky above you should turn that room full of clouds and the thunder with begins to bloom, oh, keep your head together and call my name alone. You hear me knocking on your door. You just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, I come running to see you again. Oh, winter, spring, summer, or fall, all you have to do is call.